Today I am going to replace the screen of Gateway NV73 laptop. We begin with removing rubber bumps in each corner of the screen. You can easily do it with your nails or with sharp plastic knife, don't use metal one. Now I'm going to remove two screws, 1 and 2. Now 4 screws should be removed, 2 from each side of the screen. To open plastic cover you will need to use nails or sharp piece of plastic, avoid using metal, and just insert inside and try to open it carefully. Now I need to remove 2 screws, 1 from each side of the screen. Be careful, we need to hold back cover because it will fall down. Now we should carefully remove this connector. So what we do, we use some sharp pieces of plastic or just nails and pull it. Don't forget to open the seal before you touch the connector. Last step is to remove 6 screws, 3 from each side of the screen. Assembly begins with installation of 3 screws from each side of the screen. 1, 2 and 3. Now we should carefully install connector in place. Done. And seal. Now I'm going to put in place 2 screws, but only in the inner holes, not in the outer. Now we need to make sure that our microphone and camera are in place and properly aligned. Finally I aligned all cables and we're ready to close the screen. Just fasten it. And we are almost ready. Now we need to put in place 4 screws. Final step is to put plastic bumps in place. They cover 4 screws. Two from each side of the screen. The last step, 2 screws on the bottom. 1 and 2. Finally, I have installed 2 screws, 1 and 2. Now we can test our laptop. Battery is already installed. And it works.